Hello friends, today we will solve the essay which appeared in India as well as in Kenya in June 2016. This is an opinion essay. Topic of the essay is subsidizing education. Let's read the question first. The best way to reduce poverty in developing countries is by giving up to 6 years of free education to children, so that they can at least read, write and use numbers. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the statement? So we'll start with the introduction paragraph, where we will paraphrase the question statement in our own words so that it is presented in a different manner. Then we state our opinion on the topic. Free schooling for children until 6 years can facilitate basic understanding of communication and mathematics, which may support the eradication of poverty in emerging nations. I believe that subsidizing basic education of children is a noble initiative towards elimination of poverty for rising nations. Now we move on to our first supporting paragraph. In this paragraph, our opinion gets support from the idea that free education opens doors for better employment avenues, leading to economic improvement. Financially supporting basic education can prepare individuals for better employment avenues. Knowledge of basic communication and arithmetic ascertains that the population rises above the unsure earnings of a daily wager and receives better remuneration through a respectable job, thereby ensuring better financial security. For instance, in India, the Right to Education Bill passed in the Parliament has successfully brought down the unemployment rate by approximately 18%. Therefore, enhanced literacy levels result in improved employment rate, consequently improving the financial status of countries. In the second supporting paragraph, our opinion is supported by the idea that when people are more educated, they become less prone to financial exploitation. Monetary assistance in education results in reduced financial exploitation of the poor. When the masses get access to education, they understand the value of money and grow self-dependent in managing their finances. In developing countries, a considerable percentage of poor population is deprived of their due share of income because of middlemen who exploit them of their rightful earnings. As the citizens grow more literate, they become aware of their civil rights and less prone to financial abuse. Thus, free schooling creates responsible citizens who are more conscious and less financially oppressed. Now our conclusion paragraph. Here we will restate the key points of our essay. Supporting free education at the fundamental level tends to raise standards of financial earnings of masses by generating advanced employment avenues. Higher financial literacy as a result of subsidized education generates awareness amongst individuals who cease to be a victim of economic exploitation. So thank you friends. Hope you like the essay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such essays.